This is one cute hairstyle that can be done in 1 hour or less than 2 hours. So this is jumbo braid, jumbo knotless braid, and the feeding braids pattern also made it more unique. So if you're looking for a quick hairstyle for yourself or for your clients, then this is one hairstyle I recommend for you, because you're not only going to look classy in this hairstyle, but this hairstyle is stress-free. You don't have to stress about the way you're going to pack it, because this is a self-styling hairstyle. Now if you want to do feeding stitch braid, you know that using a good gel is actually very important. After using a good amount of gel for this hairstyle, then you have to start, if you want it to be a protective style, please, if you want to start braiding or the feeding braid, please don't start with a hair extension. Start with your own natural hair, so that it's not going to have that pulling effect, because if you use extension from the beginning of the tip, then you're going to pull the hair. So for a protective hairstyle, the extension should come after you've braided like 1-2 times before you start adding your own extension. Please, for a protective style, don't start with your extension. Braid with your natural hair 1-2 times before you start adding the extension. So bantu knot was added to the tip of this hair, but this wasn't covered in this video. So the way you're going to do bantu knots, just grab the hair that you've already braided like to the tip, not so far away from the tip, but not like very close to the, depending on the length of the hair. So when you grab it, you fold it and start rolling. So note that you're rolling this upwards and not downwards. From where you're holding your hand and use your thumb to secure it, you're rolling it upwards. So after you've rolled finish, you secure it by knotting it. You can decide to use lighter to just band off a little bit, or use your rubber band to secure it so it doesn't loosen. Then afterwards, you can then put in your hot water, as you can see in this video. If you watched to this point, thank you very much. Please smash that subscribe button if you're yet to do so. Like this video, share to your friends and family, and I want to hear your thoughts about what you think about this hairstyle. Thank you, and see you in my next video.